Hello schoolBic users, my name is Evelyn, and in this tutorial video, I will show you how schoolBic News Management works. With the News module in your school management system, you will keep your users up to date on the latest news happening in your institution and instantly mark out the news date on their calendar. Users will be able to view recent and past news targeted at them from the web portal and through their school mobile app. Meanwhile, based on the default setting of your school management system, not every user type can create news in the system. Only the super admin and managers can create a new. However, if you would like other user role to be able to create news in your school management system, you can give permission to such user role from administrative task, then check permission role. Meanwhile, I will advise you to check out the permission role video to learn more. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, I'd like to show you how to create news in your school management system. So I log into the Super Admin portal and navigate to the School News Board menu and click on the module. Here you can see all the news we have created in the system. Also, you can search for news with this search bar. You can easily see the news title and its content, the users the news is targeted at. You can use this toggle button to disable news from showing in the front end of your website if you use our CMS. You can apply and edit by clicking this blue edit button, and to delete a news, click this red delete button. To add a news, click the add news button. Enter the title of the news. Here, enter the content of the news. You can style the content with the HTML tools available. And here, select which user the news is targeted at. You can create news for all the institution or a specific user type. If you create news for a specific user, only those users will see the news on their dashboard and mobile app. Enter the date of the news. You can upload an image for the news. And here, enable or disable the news from showing from your website front end. To publish your news, click the Add News button. And here is the news we just created. Let's see how the news is marked out in the calendar. And here is the calendar. As you can see, the news date has been marked out. When click, user will get to see all the information of the news. If you have questions regarding this tutorial video, please get in touch with us or contact your account manager. We'd be glad to hear from you. Thanks for watching.